You ready to tear this out?
No.
No, I know. We got to. Because, look. We have goodies. We'll put it back in there. Don't worry. It won't take long. We'll put it back in there. Don't do that.
Oh my gosh.
You wrenching on a transmission?
Yep. I'm about to take off the final bolt right now.
Okay.
Using my fingers. Let me try a bit more with the right here.
What do you think?
Terrible. It's the motor.
Terrible? I'm sorry, dude. Back to square one?
Back to phase, basically, one.
How about, let's pull this straight axle out for today and we'll call that a good day, okay?
Yep.
Pull the axle out? Or do you want that in there? You want to leave that straight axle in there? You might as well get Grandpa's tractor and drive that to school every day. This straight axle here. Right here.
Oh. You know what? Yeah.
They're cool. Maybe we could put it in a gasser someday. But we're gonna go a little more modern, right?
No.
A little more luxurious.
We want to go from the
Uh-oh.
not the 20s.
That sounds better, doesn't it? All right, let's lift this up, put some jacks under it, and demo.
And this is my hurt hand.
Oh, you poor boy.
Oh, what are you?
I know. I'm glad you're excited about the engine. You're proud of it, right? I know it sucked getting it out of there, but
Yeah.
we'll put it back in no time. Okay? Even if we gotta skip school a few days, we'll get it back in there.
Okay, that would be a good usage.
Oh, you're good. It's good. It's good. Does it fall out? There you go. Oh, there's one more on the bottom. Here. Yeah, you can do the other wheel. Jack it up. Jack it up. Hold on, Jackson. Hold on, buddy. The jack went down.
I know, I never. We put it up and then we put it down.
There you go. Okay, go ahead. Go, Ethan, you keep going. There you go.
I'm gonna point it down.
Okay.
Wait, is it down?
It's not gonna shoot a bullet. You got it? It's heavy. Hold strong. Hit the trigger a few times so you could see what. Put it up. Okay, that's enough. Put it on there and rip it, man. Get it on all the way. Hold strong. Keep going. I'll put, is it off?
Basically, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, off.
Look at those tires, man.
Is it?
They're
Yeah.
still new.
I know.
Did you and Kurt buy those? Do you remember?
Yeah, Curtis bought it.
Ethan, that wheel could fall off on you now. Stop. They're still brand new from what, 1982 or something?
Yeah, 84.
84. Brand new.
When are we gonna put those tires back on?
When we get all the new stuff on. Don't worry, don't get upset. I know it sucks, but we're gonna make it cooler.
So do we peel this off?
Yeah, ready?
Let's move this over. Ah!
Here,
Jeez.
wheel it over to your bro. Don't drop it on him. Look at those old brakes, man.
We're taking the whole truck apart. Yeah.
See my face? All you film is my belly. All I need. The crap is sitting there waiting on us.
A little higher.
We're taking it apart.
Ethan, give me a couple more pumps.
Got.
We're taking it apart. It's bone crushing.
Jeez.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. That's good. Now, should we wrench them off, or should we just get the torch out and make it easy?
George.
No, it will not bring me.
They can't fight us if it's liquid.
Liquidy.
But it can burn.
These are cool, man.
I know.
I like that.
Over.
Here comes Grandpa Freddy.
Do you want to weld just Train Float logo in metal?
That would be epic.
Yeah, we should do that, definitely.
Yeah.
We should make a world famous video welding a Dream Garage logo in metal.
What have you guys been doing? I haven't seen nothing you've done.
Yeah. Well, like drilling all those stuff.
It's torn apart. It's heartbreaking.
Get the gloves out.
We need more comments on Big Boy, guys. Tell us what you want us to paint him next.
Good, it's good, it's free, man. You want to drop it up? E, perfect timing. So you loosen the jack, let her down, but don't touch anything. There's a lot of hotness in there. Oh, look at that. Good job, I got a brake line. Whew, that's kind of stinky, boys. Little 80-year-old World War II burnt rubber.
Yeah. Let's not get, into that nonsense. History
We are almost
is
free.
repeating itself right now.
Good big shoots.
All of this.
Ready to pull this out?
Big shoots or small shoots?
Be careful, everything's hot. Don't
Ashes,
touch. Don't
ashes,
touch
ashes.
anything. Okay? Here, we gotta move these wheels. You should go spray them with the hose and clean them up.
Oh, got it.
Those are vintage, man. Those are new old stock. You ready? Let's hop up on here. We'll get her, we'll get her. Oh, that's hot. Ta-da! Straight
Without-
axle for
Without the
sale.
motor, axle, anything.
This baby. probably gotta cut them junk ass motor mounts out, but this will fit right underneath. Like this. It's supposed to.
Is it like a new axle?
Yep. This is the cross member. This goes in place of that.
Does that look anything like this?
No, it doesn't. That's old school.
It's new school.
That, but it goes from underneath. I gotta trim out a couple more little thingies there, and that'll go up from the inside. Cool?
Yeah.
Okay, let me move the Milano and we can, we'll drag this axle outside. I don't know where we're gonna put that. That's heavier than I thought. You know what we could do? We'll put the wheels back on it. And then we'll push it in the back. You don't have to.
Yeah.
That's kind of where it goes. But I think it's got to go up a little bit. Get up there. That's where it goes, okay? But we got to do a little trim in here. And I have to box all that in. So I'll do that on my own. You guys don't want to be here for that. Can you see this right here? That'll weld up there. But there's just lots of nasty grinding and cleaning and stuff. So maybe I'll come up here by myself one day and you won't have to do that.
Yep.
You want to see the rest of the goodies?
Sure.
Check it out. We got some strong arms. Tubular A-arms. Spindles. Hubs. And massive 13-inch drilled and slotted rotors.
That's an inch larger than an entire ruler.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yep. 1 foot, 1 ruler, foot, 12 inches, 13 inches, 1 inch longer than a foot.
You ever seen a yardstick?
Yeah, I've seen a yardstick.
Coilovers.
Let me see.
Don't drop it.
Yeah. Wow.
And this time for real.
Wow.
Check this out. Corvette sealed modern bearings with 6-lug Chevy bolt patterns that fit in the Mustang II. I'm not letting you have that. It's too heavy and it's expensive.
I can't hold.
You had a whole thing of Mountain Dew.
How?
You had a whole thing of Mountain Dew.
That means I'm stronger.
That means you're crazier.
You're crazier. What else do we got, big kid? Come here. What else do we got? Look at that. Look at that. That's some stopping power there, boys. It's gonna go, right? Because of the 5.3. And it's gonna stop. More importantly.
It's just gonna be like.
I don't know, man. This stuff is exciting. What do you think? You like
I
it?
know.
Yeah.
It's just gonna be like.
Check this out one more thing. Rack and pinion. Lots to do. So I got a bunch of dirty crap to do. I'll finish that up.
Yep.
And then I'll bring you guys back in for the fun stuff, okay?
Yeah.
You guys want to get out of here?
Yep.
Yeah.
E, what do you say?
Make sure to like, subscribe, and tickle that bell icon for more videos.
See ya, Sisson.
Later. Look out your window. Gotta stop and see an old buddy. He builds a lot of Fords, but he's cool. Check that out. Let's see what he's building in his backyard.
Big Valley Logwoods.
Big Valley Log Works.
Big Valley white log
Look, this is what
bricks.
this guy does all day. He builds these houses and sells them.
Let's start some profit.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
That's just amazing.
Post to the purlins.
Two bedrooms and a bath in the middle.
That's a loft up there. There's gonna be stairs.
These stairs
Pretty
heading
cool.
up to there.
Yeah.
Basically just a balcony on.
You arched it. And you can run the crane.
What's your TikTok?
At Stumpbugger.
Dumb bugger.